Hey everybody, Marion the Barbarian here, and we have got a good shave for you today. Amaretto Special, 6 ounces from Moon Soaps. Oh, steroids. It's like Cella on steroids. Very awesome. I love it. If you want to look, it's a very soft cream, like very soft. Like, can you see that? Yeah, it sticks. Very, very sticky, soft cream. We are using the Leaf Lads brush by Kent Designs. I'm just going to paint it on. And you know what? I may add a little water after I paint it on. I don't know. I didn't want to get too thin. I've been enjoying the thick, creamy lathers lately. And we are using my EverReady Gym style. Here we go, just a little bit of water in the tips and just paint it in. Little water in the tips. Sorry guys, we do have some prints going on. Guys, if y'all have never seen it, y'all should watch the George Harrison While My Guitar Gently Weeps tribute, where they did the, I can't remember who was all there, but Prince was one of them, and I'll try to link the video below. It's really worth watching. Because everybody turns and looks at Prince after the guitar solo and they were just like blown away. It's like people forget Prince could play fucking guitar. Very nice razor. I don't know why I felt like using it. I knew I had a gym blade out. Popped open the medicine cabinet over here and like, you know what? Gym it is. I could have gotten my Starling out from PAA, but I just didn't feel like it. This was already out. Technically, kind of. To go get my Starling. You can still feel the irritation I had from here yesterday. But being in the cabinet made it easier. Like I said, some sensitivity on the neck area. Don't you want to know? Party light was $19.99. I was a junior and a senior in high school in 1999. Graduated 2000. And yes, people played the shit out of this song New Year's Eve 1999. So we're going to do a good dipping of the tips back in the bowl. Beat it up a little bit more, just see if I can hydrate it just a little. Ooh, that's perfect. Ooh, that's looking even better. It just needed a tad bit more water, guys. Sorry, there's music going, but you know, I worked hard today. I deserved the good time. You know, just having fun. That was for Joey. He'll get that reference. I mean, and if y'all enjoyed laughing at me, that's cool too. We're just having a fun shave. And if y'all don't know, this is a synthetic omega knot. It's the same knot Johan has in his certified Italian handled style brush. Around the first times I met Johan, I sent that to him. My ex was definitely down with videos when Johan gave her a shout out. Or was at least cool with me starting videos. I think she thinks there was some kind of monetary make money doing YouTube videos because she's heard about people paying off their houses and shit because of YouTube. And I'm like, wrong hobby. Never in this hobby. Like, even if you were as big as Ken Surfs, I believe you couldn't supplement your income with YouTube. Like, you gotta be like hundreds. Like I said, 100,000 probably. I don't know, but there is no money in wet shaving videos. I pay way more out for products I use in this video than I ever get for any affiliate link. You know, see if I can BBS up the neck a little. Add some water, just a little bit more cream. See if I can keep from opening up, or I opened up over here yesterday. I opened up the spots from yesterday up there. Because honestly, it feels comfortable other than the neck where I know I've had some irritation. All right. Pickup time. Should have said that before the pickups, right? All right. Take a little cream, put it right in here, here. Sorry the music's so loud, guys, but I enjoy some Prince. You know, before he was a symbol. I guess some people would have considered him a sex symbol at all times. All right, guys, that looks good. We're gonna stop and then we'll be right back. And we are back, guys. Got cleaned up, gave it a rinse. And we are going to follow up with Cella, which does not smell like the soap whatsoever, but I figured it would pair well. And for my boy Joey, see my menthol drops? Yeah, it's getting added to it. I tried to put a little in there, but it's hard to get through that restrictor. So we're keeping helping him out the splash. Oh yeah, just keep it going. A few little squirts of some menthol. Oh, a good jettison squirt. Oh yeah. Now that burns well. Ooh, and it's cooling. Sorry I'm so washed out today, guys. I'm gonna have to mess with my camera setup. Seems really washed out. I closed the shower curtain, realized I did a whole video with shower curtain open. So Amaretto Special. Good stuff, guys. If you haven't gotten it, you definitely need to try it. If you think that's a sexy brush, I would check out Kent Designs at Moon Soaps. I'll put links for all this below. None of them are affiliates. Just want to share the love. Because when I started out, guys, no one really, I didn't know where to get shit, man. And I wasn't in communities and stuff, and wasn't in Facebook groups, and wasn't on Instagram. And I just used to watch YouTube videos, and I didn't know where to get this shit. So, you know, when people like Ken Surfs and, you know, CDB and stuff would link all the products below, that really helped me. So that's the reason I link, is so that it helps other people out. Not that I'm trying to sell anything. Oh, is that a rust spot? Look at that, guys. There's a rust spot there. I wipe this clean every time. I'm gonna chunk this blade, screw it. I don't trust it, I don't want rust. That feels good, guys. Nice and cooling and burning. Let's see the red. I think the menthol did that. And you can see the irritation I've had. It's continuing as long. Woo! Jim, you shave close, brother. Guys, thank you. And thank you for the subscription. Thank you for the comments. And if you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. And like I said, guys, hopefully see you again this week.